Well, hello there, my friend. It's been a minute since I've made a video for you guys. So I just wanted to do a quick update video. I haven't made a video in like 134 days, which is crazy, but that's all due to me being in my season with my company, and also we extended our season because we had this really big project that we were working on. I'll probably share some screenshots here of what we were doing, but I'll just briefly explain it. Before I do that though, I want to talk about the Mosquito Mastery Masterclass. I did one, I want to say it was back in June. I'm getting ready to do a second one, and that is going to be December 11th at 6 p.m. If you want to get in on that, the link's down below. Basically, I'm going to teach you everything that I know about Mosquito Control Services, how to actually perform the work, what to buy, and how to market, the regiments, the chemicals, everything that I think you need to know to start offering mosquito control services. The first one went really well. We had a few people sign up for that. The only unfortunate thing about it was that while I was making it, I recorded it, because also as a benefit, if you sign up for it, you're gonna have access to the recording. Well, that was the intention, and then I had a computer malfunction, so to say. Book fell on my computer, knocked it down to the ground, and it corrupted the files. Not good, right? So we're gonna do the second one, and obviously all the people that were a part of the first one are welcome to come to the second one, so that way we have the updated recording. But if you sign up for that, awesome. If not, no worries. But what have I been up to? So I have been working doing an invasive species remediation project. We were contacted by our local conservation district, and they had some grant money. They wanted to clean up some lots, and that involved cut stump applications of trees, invasive trees in particular. The two main species that we were dealing with was buckthorn and tree of heaven, and so we took care of them. I'll share some screenshots. I might have some drone footage before and after of what we did. Hopefully I'll throw that in here too. But it was quite the project, man. It took 3 guys 7 weeks to do. It was massive. You know, we had a wood chipper on site, chipped all the material. It was it was a project, which is why I couldn't make any content. I was very busy. We were working from sun up to sundown. So now that it's winter, I'm back, and I'm gonna be making a lot of more content. You'll have to give me probably, you know, a couple weeks to really dial that in and figure out exactly what I'll be talking about, make the presentations. But I'm back. I missed you. I missed the fun. I missed the comments. I hope that all of you are doing well. I'm down here checking my mail. Got a book for my son and daughter. But it's snowy here. It's cold here. It's brutal. But we are back, which is exciting. And what else? Any more updates? No, I think that might be it. So, again, if you want to join the Mosquito Mastery Masterclass, it's going to be December the 11th, a Wednesday at 6 p.m. It'll be 3 hours long, 6 to 9. If there's any time left over, you know, I'll answer any questions you have. And then I'll also be creating a Mosquito Mastery Masterclass that's not live, and, you know, I'll just create that course, put it up for sale. If you guys want it, awesome. If not, and also if you want to learn any other pesticide applicator stuff, like, you know, I'm not a lawn care person per se, but if you want to learn plant health care or how to do cut stump applications, invasive species remediation, let me know. Leave me a comment, because I've done a lot of it. I've made a lot of money doing it, and I know that I can teach you how to bid the work, how to do the work, you know, how to have a 5-star reputation, which is what my company has. You know, we're 5 stars on Google. We have 183 reviews, so we're doing very, very good work. Also, I guess this is an update. I qualified through the point system of the International Society of Arboriculture to be able to take my board certified master arborist exam, which is pretty cool. I just have to submit the application, and then we should be on our way to becoming a board certified master arborist. Pretty cool, right? Also this year I'm going to be taking my own, here it's called category 7A, but it's basically a general pest book. So I'm excited for that. There's a lot of study material there. But yeah, we're just gonna rock and roll, baby. Make stuff happen, you know? So I hope you guys are doing well. I missed you, missed the fun. Hope the previous videos have, you know, helped you become licensed pesticide applicators, or helped you, or, you know, triggered you in various ways to better yourselves. So other than that, take care. God bless. Go get them.